Hey everybody, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So today's video is all about finding the value of 0 factorial, that is 1, and knowing how the 1 has been attained. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we'll solve 0 factorial equal to 1 by some of the methods, starting from the first method, which is a very fundamental concept. Alright, in this we will write down as 0 factorial जिसकी हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है, then 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Alright, let's also take 5 factorial. You know everybody, what is the value of 5 factorial? It is 120. 10 factorial is n into n minus 1 till it gets 1. Alright, so 5 factorial is 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Alright, tell me what is the value of 5 factorial? It is 120. 4 factorial, 4, 3, 12, 2, 24. 3 to the 6, 2 and 1. Okay, by the use of fundamentals, this is just not a well proven concept. Alright, we are trying to make a pattern. Alright, to solve 0 factorial. If I divide 120 by 5, what do we get? I get 24. Alright, this is 4 factorial. If I divide 24 by its factorial, that is 4, we get 6. If we divide 6 by its factorial, that is 3, what do we get? I get 2. If I divide 2 by 2 factorial, what do I get? I get 1. Similarly, if I divide 1 by 1, what do we get? 0 factorial equal to 1. So, this is a pattern we are observing to get the value of 0 factorial equal to 1. We engage with second method, that is by the use of formula. Second method, by formula for n factorial. We know n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till 3 into 2 into 1. Alright, तो मैं यहाँ पे n factorial को लिख सकता हूँ n, बेटा आपको पता है n minus 1 n minus 2 till 1, इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? इसको हम बोल सकते हैं n minus 1 factorial. तो what do we write n factorial? It would be n into n minus 1 factorial. बताओ, am I correct? Alright. I want 0 factorial. That means I can put in this place to get it 0 factorial, that is n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. If I put n equal to 1, it gets 1 factorial equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 and factorial. What do you get? I get 1 factorial equal to 1 into, and what is this? 0 factorial. 0 factorial into 1, 0 factorial. Add 1 factorial is equal to 1. Therefore, by the use of mathematical formulation, for n factorial, I get 0 factorial equal to 1, 2. Alright, so let's talk about the third method, that is by arranging n objects into a single line. By arranging n different objects in a single line. You know n factorial, but do you know its physical meaning? That means n factorial means to arrange n different objects in a single line. The method of arranging the objects, it's called n factorial. Alright, for example, if there are 3 persons A, B and C and I have to arrange themselves in a single line consisting of 3 chairs, so how can I arrange themselves. I can arrange themselves A, B and C in 3 factorial, that is 6 ways. Alright, so I can arrange A, B, C in 6 ways. How can I? A, B, C, B, A, C, C, A, B, A, C, B, B, C, A and this C, B. So there are 6. Alright, so there are 6 different ways of arranging 3 different objects in a single line consisting of 3 chairs. If I take second example, if I just have to arrange an object A, how can I arrange it? The method is very simple. It is 1. You can arrange one object in a single one way. A को मैं A से ही arrange करूँगा. All right. Understand this. If I am arranging 3 objects, it is getting 6 ways to arrange themselves. If I am arranging one single object, it is getting one single way. If I don't arrange anything, or say if I have to arrange 0 object, what is the method of arranging itself? You get my point? You have to understand this point, that arranging nothing is itself an arrangement. You get my point? That means 0 factorial is equal to 1. That means if you don't have to arrange anything, even this has to be an arrangement. That is why the value of 0 factorial is equal to 1 by the physical significance of n factorial. Arranging nothing is even an arrangement. That is one configuration of arrangement. Therefore, 0 factorial equal to 1. And last but not the least, fourth method, by the expansion, by the exponential expansion, हम solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे 0 factorial equal to 1 by expansion of e की power x. Therefore, e की power x is equal to summation x की power n upon n factorial. That is n equal to 0 till infinity. Alright, this is the expansion of e to the power x. I wanted to have 0 factorial. If I want to have 0 factorial, put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. It gets e to the power 0. Summation n equal to 0 to infinity. 0 की power n upon n factorial. Alright, it will goes as 0 की power 0 upon 0 factorial plus 0 की power n equal to 1 factorial plus 0 की power 2 upon 2 factorial till infinity. You know, e की power 0. In the last video, I have talked about any non-zero real number की power 0 equal to 1. Still did not watch the video, please do watch it. Alright, e की power 0 equal to 1. Alright, 0 की power 0, इसकी बात करते हैं, upon 0 factorial. You know, 0 की power 1 0, 0 की power 2 0. That means all this right hand side of this term will be 0. अब हमको निकालना है 0 factorial. So 0 factorial is equal to 0 की power 0 divided by 1. Students, in the very recent video I have even talked about 0 की power 0. Alright, since here we'll take 0 की power 0 equal to 1. Why? Just to make mathematical calculations easy and simple. Alright, 0 की power 0 we'll take as 1 divided by 1. Therefore 0 factorial equal to 1, and hence prove even by the expansion of e to the power x. इस वीडियो में अगर आपको कुछ नया जानने को मिला हो इस स्फेरिकल मैथ के कॉन्सेप्ट में, तो प्लीज डू शेयर टू अस बाय राइटिंग इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड इफ यू डू लाइक इट, प्लीज शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. Thank you for watching.